23rd of this month, coming just next week, Batman.
I'll see you at the JC Lewis car show.
We've got amazing events, we've got amazing prizes, over 40 trophies we're gonna be giving out. We've got real life costume actors, Christian Bale, all the way from Hollywood playing Batman. It's gonna be a phenomenon. If you miss it, you're gonna miss the costumes, the fun, the candy, the family, the whole experience. It's going down here. JC Lewis Ford, Statesboro, Batman, DC Comics. I hear Stan Lee might stop by. We're gonna be killing it. Y'all be there the 23rd of October from 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock.
Like Jay said, October 23rd, you don't want to miss it. There's a lot of stuff going on, but ours is going to be very special. We're going to have some games for the kids, Halloween contest. There's going to be top 20, all kinds of stuff. Food trucks. Locos is going to be here. And
Tacos.
We're going to have just a good time, so please come out.
Don't miss out.